The F-84 Thunderstreak was used as a fighter-bomber capable of carrying up to 6,000 pounds of rockets and bombs, including one Mark 7 nuclear bomb. It was also mounted with 6 Browning M3 machine guns. This aircraft was used by the United States, Belgium, Greek, and Turkish air forces. It was first introduced in 1950, and the United States Air Force began using it in 1954. From the beginning, the Thunderstreak had issues with speed, altitude, and handling. There were many documented engine failures and flameouts when flying through heavy rain and snow. In 1958, a phase-out was begun of the F-84 due to the operational problems. However, this was reconsidered due to the escalating tensions in Germany over the Berlin Wall in 1961. This led to its reactivation. The F-84s were eventually transferred to Air National Guard units in 1964. They were retired completely from service in 1972. This particular F-84 was manufactured by Republic Aviation in Farmington, New York. It was first stationed at the 12th Strategic Fighter Wing and then at the 27th Strategic Fighter Wing at Bergstrom Air Force Base in Texas. By August of 1955, it was part of the Royal Air Force at Sturgate Air Base in the United Kingdom. The next month, it joined the 7,559th Maintenance Group, United States Air Force at RAF Burtonwood and returned to the United States in January of 1956. The aircraft spent 6 months at the Mobile Air Material Area at Brookley Air Force Base in Alabama before being sent back to Republic Aviation for upgrades in the summer. After upgrades, it became part of the Air National Guard, first in Illinois, then Florida, and finally Ohio. In 1972, the aircraft was deemed surplus and was purchased by private collector Walter Soplata. This aircraft was donated to the Maps Air Museum in 2009 by Mr. Soplata. It arrived at the museum in pieces beginning in November, with the remaining pieces arriving in March 2010. After restoration by Maps volunteers, the aircraft was dedicated in December of 2016.